S&P 500 Daily Analysis August 30, 22. Uncertainty is the friend of long-term investors. Can you guess who the creator of this quote is? Okay, the person we are looking for is considered to be one of the most successful investors of our time and, even though he is now clearly advanced in age, never tires of acting as the driving force behind his holding company. That's right, we're talking about Warren Buffett, who, by the way, is celebrating his 92nd birthday today. Buffett made his statement above in 1979, which was marked, among other things, by the second oil crisis, revolutionary movements in Iraq and Nicaragua, an accident at the Harrisburg nuclear power plant, and the invasion of Soviet troops in Afghanistan. Why did we choose this Buffett quote in particular? Well, for reasons you know, there will be massive uncertainty on the financial markets again in 2022, and this situation was, of course, exacerbated by the strong sell-off last Friday. Although we did not necessarily expect the impulsiveness of these descents, we saw the movement that the S&P 500 made in this context coming, and communicated this to you again and again in our daily updates. Our primary scenario envisages that the mass index is currently pushing through a counter-movement, in the form of the blue wave number 4. The corresponding target, the zone of the same color, between 40.96 and 39.53 points, has already been tapped by the price in an almost ideal way before it has pushed back up a bit in the course of the past few hours of trading. Accordingly, the aforementioned wave of 4 could already have come to an end, but for the moment, we still give the S&P the opportunity to work through the target zone a little more intensively if necessary. The index should only avoid one thing at all costs: a significant slipping out of the blue target zone. In this case, the course would call our alternative in the south into action, by falling below the support at 3,950 points, and we currently consider this to be 40% likely. If the S&P decides to go this route, it would give us another correction low. This should expand the course, within the framework of this alternative scenario, within the turquoise target zone between 35.97 and 33.53 points, before it should continue on the upside again in this course. Speaking of the upside, we primarily expect that the price, if it hasn't already happened, will imminently shoot down the current corrective counter-movement, in order to start up again. The first important hurdle that the S&P has to overcome in this process is the resistance at 4,328 points. The daily chart shows that the price should make good progress in the medium and long term on the upside, as we primarily expect the turquoise target zone, between 54.88 and 60.30 points to be approached. The S&P 500 was not only able to stabilize somewhat within its blue zone after the recent impulsive descents, it has also already managed to make up a few points. The counter-movement should then also come to an end and the index should orient itself upwards again. Alternatively, we still have to plan for one last major sale. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like to see more indexes or cryptos being analyzed, please like and subscribe.